Hello everyone. For the past few days, the buzzword has been Pyscript. What is Pyscript? How it can be used with the browser? So today I will be answering you some of the common questions about Pyscript, and I will be also showing you a live demo how it can be used with your HTML code. Okay. So let's get started. So first let us understand what is Pyscript. Okay. So this is the definition. Okay. Pyscript is a framework that allow users to create rich Python applications in browser. So it's really simple. Okay. We will be running our Python code with HTML and that code will be displayed alongside browser. Okay. That's really cool because we were doing the entire thing only by using JavaScript. So now we can run our Python code in our HTML. Like we can just embed our Python code within HTML itself. So that's really amazing to know. And this PyScript has been developed by using a Pyodide library. Okay, you can just go through it. It uses some WebAssembly, some there's like a whole concept behind that. You can just search it. It's Pyodide. Okay. So now let's just go and code. Okay, that's the main part. So first thing is how are we going to use Pyscript? So for that you can just go to the site, okay, pyscript.net, and here they will be having your install button. Okay, you can just click it and you can just copy this two tags. Okay, they are having a link tag and a script tag. You can just copy this, okay, and just paste it within your head tag. So now I'm currently having this hello world program which is within the paragraph tag, and this is that output that I'm having. So we are going to do the same thing by using Pyscript, okay, by using Python. So that's the cool part over here. So just remove this and the tag is py-script, okay. So same thing that is being showcased over here. So this demo code, okay, and in order to display in the browser we will be using the print statement, okay. That's really weird, okay. By using print we can display a thing in the browser. Okay, that's cool, and I will just put the traditional one, hello world, okay, and I just save it. Okay, so this is now in Pyscript, just a tag, and you can use Python in your along with your HTML, okay. And if I just now go to browser and just refresh it, so I'll be getting hello world, okay, but this is running with the help of Python, okay. And let's up, I can also change the font size as well. So if I just go to this tag, if I put style, if I just put font size, and if I just put some 300%, and if I just go here and put color, if I just change it to some brown, and if I just save it now, refresh it, so I'll be getting all the things affected. So that's really cool. And another important thing is that we can use all our favorite Python libraries as well. So if I just go to that pyscript.net, so here it will be explaining you how this can be used. So here in this Python ecosystem, run many popular packages of Python such as NumPy, Pandas. So for anyone like who is doing data science or like ML who wants to show some graphs, they're just using Jupyter Notebook. They can just make use of this Pyscript and they can even showcase their work in the browser as well. So let's use some packages. Okay, let me go with this one. Okay, this is fine. So let me just now, okay, let the color be the same and the size be the same. Let me just remove this, okay, and I will go with the math. Okay, import math, and what I'm going to do is let me just find the power. Okay, using the power function, math dot, I can just print it. Okay, I'll just print math dot power. I'll just put 2,3, okay, which rise to is 2 power 3, okay. So I need to get 8 in the output. So if I just go to the browser and refresh it, okay, so I'm getting an error. I think it's like an indentation error, okay. So I think all this like Python code would need to be indented to the leftmost, okay, like the same way like how we do in Python, normal .py file, okay, it needs to be indented, okay. So now I think it will work. We just save it, and if I just now refresh it, yeah, this time I'm getting 8.0, which is fine, okay. So it needs to be indented as well, really important thing. And next thing is, let's just try with a NumPy, okay. So in order to use NumPy, okay, what we are doing is you need to go to the head tag, okay. Inside the head tag, you need to put py-env, okay. Just inside it, put a hyphen and just give a space, and you need to type the package NumPy, okay. So in case you are using some external package that isn't available within Python, let's suppose say that we will be doing pip install numpy pandas like that. So here we'll be using the py-env and we will specify the package name over here. So once you're done with that, now we can just import numpy, okay, and here I'll be using the array something, okay, array equal to numpy dot range, okay, and I will put a value inside it and print the array, okay. I think this will work. Saving it, and so I'll be getting a list over here and it has values from 0 to 4. That is that what this range function does. 5 means it will just give the values from 0 to 4, okay. So if you want to like learn more about this one, what you can do is you can just go to the same site and you'll be having this project home, okay. You can just click that and it'll be directly taking you to that GitHub page itself, okay. So here you'll be having like so many codes and example how to get started. So here there will be a link called as Pyscript examples. So you can just click it and so many examples will be there. You can just go through it and can just learn more. And I think you can also have some external .py files and include them in your HTML as well. So you can just try it out. So that's it for this video, and I hope you have found this video useful. I also done many videos in C, C++, Java, Python. So do check them, subscribe.